In today's video, we're going to talk about something that touches every single one of us: graves. Death is a reality, and while we all know it will come one day, what many people don't realize is just how expensive it can be to secure a burial in Canada. Some families manage to get a grave for as little as $3,000, while for others, the total expense rises to $30,000 or even more. Why such a huge difference? In this video, we'll break down the real costs of graves in Canada, why they are so high, how families are managing these expenses, and some affordable alternatives that many people don't know about. Part 1. Average grave costs in Canada. The price of a grave in Canada depends heavily on the province and the size of the city. In smaller towns, a simple burial plot might cost between $2,500 and $5,000. In mid-sized cities, the cost can rise to $7,000 to $12,000. And in major cities like Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal, prices can skyrocket to $20,000 to $50,000 for a single plot. But buying the plot is not the only expense. Families also need to cover grave digging fees, concrete liners or burial vaults, administrative charges, and ongoing maintenance fees. When all these costs are added up, the final amount often reaches between $10,000 and $30,000. Why are graves so expensive? There are several reasons why grave costs in Canada are so high. One is land prices. In big cities, land is extremely limited and expensive, which directly affects cemetery plot costs. Two is private cemeteries. Many cemeteries are privately owned and charge significantly higher fees than public ones. Three is service fees. Families must pay extra for digging, security, landscaping, and long-term maintenance. Four is religious sections. Special sections, such as Muslim, Christian, or Jewish plots, are often more expensive due to limited availability and specific requirements.